With a fucking biro, the same fucking biro you choose to sign your gyro. You fucking wino, don't fucking cross my line, yo. I hit you so hard, your ass will hit the floor in Cairo. I know how to take your life and make you die, yo. So watch your fucking step on when you place your fucking eyes, bro. I'm representing rap like it's supposed to be. Spit bars so harsh you can't cope with me.
Push cuts, cuts back, cut back, pull the trigger, 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 trigger.
Hearing these bricks talk shit just cause they roll with a click, think they won't get their throat slit. I make blood drip, every lyric I spit, leaving MCs deader than the skin on them. Oh shit, that's why I laugh when they start talking out their art. The highest phase will pass, broke time B will never laugh. I'm representing rap like it's supposed to be. Spit bars so harsh you can't cope with me.